How will you separate a mixture of acetone and water? This mixture contains water and acetone. Both are liquids. You know that liquids, that is pure liquids, have a sharp boiling point. The boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius, while that of water, you know that it is 100 degrees Celsius. So when this mixture is heated, acetone with lower boiling point will first form the vapors. When a temperature of 56 degrees Celsius is reached upon heating. You know that both acetone and water are liquids. Now my question is, are they miscible or immiscible? That is, do the two liquids mix with each other or will not mix with each other? The two liquids will mix with each other. Yes, acetone and water will mix with each other. So here we have a mixture of two miscible liquids. Therefore, distillation is the method used to separate a mixture of acetone and water. Or we can say that distillation is used to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. But there is one more condition. What is it? The difference in boiling point should be more than 25 degrees Celsius. Only if the difference in boiling point is greater than 25 degrees Celsius, distillation method can be used to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. You can see the experimental setup and the apparatus used to carry out simple distillation. Coming to the procedure, take the mixture of acetone and water in a distillation flask. It should be fitted with a thermometer. A water condenser is also attached to the distillation flask. Water is circulated in the water condenser. You can see the water inlet through which water enters the condenser. This inlet is attached to a water tap. There is also an outlet through which the circulated water in the condenser can flow out. Heat the mixture slowly. You should keep a close watch on the thermometer. You know that the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius while that of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So when this mixture is heated, acetone with lower boiling point will first form the vapors when a temperature of 56 degrees Celsius is reached. These vapors of acetone gets condensed as it passes through the water condenser, which is then finally collected as liquid acetone in the beaker. Thus, by the method of simple distillation, we can separate a mixture of acetone and water. Or in general, we can say that distillation can be used to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Is the dye in black ink a single color? No, the dye in black ink is not a single color. So next we shall see the method which we can use to separate the different colors present in black ink. Chromatography is the method used to separate the different colors present in black ink. Let us see how to separate the different colors present in black ink. For that, take a thin strip of filter paper. Draw a line on it using a pencil. And that line drawn should be 3 cm above the lower edge. Now put a small drop of ink, that is the sample ink, at the center of the line. Let it dry. Leave it undisturbed, it will become dry. Lower the filter paper into a jar containing water so that the drop of ink on the paper is just above the water level. Leave it undisturbed. What will you observe? You will observe that as water rises up on the filter paper, it takes along with it the dye particles. The colored component that is more soluble in water rises faster, and in this way the different colors will get separated. So this process is known as chromatography.